Hi, I'm Michelle from Sax Fantastic. Hope you're okay. Today we're going to talk about embouchure. This is a hot topic for beginner sax players because the embouchure is all to do with the muscles in your mouth, which are very important for playing saxophone. So I thought I would put together a short video just to show you exactly how to put your saxophone mouthpiece into your mouth and create the right embouchure in order to produce a beautiful, rich tone. So to do that, I'm just going to use my saxophone mouthpiece and neck taken off the body of my alto sax so that I can demonstrate how to do this. So what you want to do is you want a light position in the middle of your mouthpiece. So you need to place the mouthpiece not right at the tip here and not right here by the ligature. Sorry, my hand was in the way there, so you probably couldn't see. But so not at the tip and not at the ligature, but halfway in between. So probably about here. And your jaw needs to be open when you do this. So don't worry that you need to immediately close your mouth. Just for now, just try placing your teeth halfway along the mouthpiece. Now, I've been playing saxophone for such a long time that I've created grooves in the top of my mouthpiece, so I know exactly where mine needs to be. Not to say that you need to do that, it's just that once you get with a comfortable playing position, you'll find that you resume that same position every time you play. So, the next thing you need to do with that open jaw, so your teeth are resting on top and your jaw needs to come up so that your bottom lip acts as a cushion underneath the reed, like this. Now, I may do this automatically, but what you really need to do is pull in the corners of your mouth. And that sounds really difficult to do. And it isn't something that you could probably consciously do, but you need to try, because what you have to do is create a seal around the mouthpiece so that no air escapes. What you need to do is take a nice deep breath in and push that air through your saxophone. And what you don't want is air escaping at various little gaps where you haven't quite sealed. So you're going to need to practice that. So as you put your mouthpiece in your mouth and you close your mouth, you need to make sure there's no gaps for air to come out. And you can test that just by blowing a single note. So let's do that. Now that sounds quite thin and weedy, but don't forget that's because we're just using the top of our saxophone, just the mouthpiece and the neck. So I'll try that again. A bit more gusto with that one. Okay, so now we know roughly where we need to put our mouth and we know how to keep it so that the air doesn't escape from the sides. I think we'll try and put this back onto the saxophone and transfer it to the sax. So we need to make sure that the mouthpiece is all aligned and the strap is at the right length and the mouthpiece reaches your mouth. So it does, yeah, that's good. And we'll do this screw up here just to keep it tight. So what I want you to do now is play a G. So a G is the first three fingers on the keys, 1, 2, 3, and your thumb just on the black key at the back, not pressing the octave key. And we'll take a deep breath in, place our teeth on the top of the mouthpiece, close our mouth and pull in the corners of our mouth. And we should find that we get a nice clear note without any air escaping. Let's give that a go. So nice and controlled, a couple of notes there. You can try that again on another note. Let's try an A. So A is like the second two keys, 1, 2, that's an A. So no octave key on the back. Deep breath, teeth in the middle, mouth not pressing too hard on the reed underneath because we don't want to stop the airflow. So let's play an A. Now, of course, when you play longer passages, you're going to need plenty of airflow, and you're going to need to keep opening your mouth in order to be able to push the air through the horn and make it sound good. So let me give you a little demonstration of a slightly longer passage, and watch as I open my mouth and close my mouth to re-find my embouchure position. So there, although it's very hard to demonstrate, I open my mouth to take in further chunks of air in order to be able to push that through the instrument. I will be recording lots of videos over the coming weeks, and one of the next videos coming up will be best ways to practice, and in this we will cover long notes and breathing in much more detail. So I hope you found this useful. If you have found anything of use in my video, then please hit the like button, and if you'd like to keep informed of which videos are coming, then just hit the subscribe button and you'll get that information delivered straight to your inbox to let you know when the next video has dropped. Okay guys, thanks very much indeed.